Lee Valley Tools is now carrying 3 saws from the family-run, Wisconsin-based firm Bad Axe Tool Works. All of the saws are hand-filed and hammer set. The elegant oil-finished cherry handles come to the hand well and are quite comfortable. The folded backs are thick carbon steel for rigidity and are finished with the same black oxide treatment used in firearms for lasting protection from rust. The 10-inch dovetail saw is filed with a 14 TPI rip pattern with 5 degrees of fleam to help reduce tear out. This is a great option for smaller joinery tasks. The 12-inch dovetail small tenon saw is filed with a 13 TPI hybrid pattern that rips effectively and produces an adequate finish on crosscuts. This is a great multi-use saw. The 14-inch sash saw is perfectly scaled for larger work. It features the same hybrid tooth pattern but is filed at a more aggressive 11 TPI. This saw makes short work of larger joinery. Bad Axe saws are beautifully made and should be a top performer in your shop.
The Rockler Center Offset Marking Tool lets you take care of 2 tedious tasks with one convenient device. The first is drawing a center line on the edge of a board. Just put a common number 2 pencil in the center hole, place the tool on the board, twist it until the posts make contact, and then slide. Just like that, you have a perfectly centered line on boards up to 1.5 inches thick. The second job is marking offsets or reveals for jobs like installing moldings. Just flip the tool, butt it against the board, choose the offset, and slide the tool to draw the line. It marks offsets from 1/16 to 1/2 inch from the edge in 1/16 increments. When you're done, you can take advantage of the built-in magnet to store it on a metal surface for easy retrieval next time. The Center Offset Marking Tool, another Rockler innovation to help you create with confidence.
When you're building cabinets, cases, and boxes, holding the pieces in position during assembly can be one of the biggest challenges. The Craig 90-degree corner clamp simplifies the assembly process by aligning and holding corners and partitions at perfect 90-degree angles, so you have both hands free to add fasteners. Unlike some corner clamps that can be cumbersome to use, the 90-degree corner clamp is simple. Plus, it works with 90-degree butt joints and T-joints used to attach shelves and partitions. All you have to do is squeeze the padded handles, and the clamp's cast aluminum wedge and V-shapes draw tight against the inside and outside faces of the joint. This holds the 2 pieces at exactly 90 degrees. A reversible corner stop makes it easy to align the mating pieces in the clamp, while edge stops cast into the outer V help ensure that the edges will be flush and aligned too. With the clamp holding the joint securely together, you can add the fasteners. The 90-degree corner clamp works great for building with Craig pocket hole joinery. It even has access points in the outer V that allow you to drive a Craig screw with the clamp still in position. Openings in the outer V also make it easy to attach the joint with the brad nailer, or even to drill and drive conventional wood screws. The 90-degree corner clamp is great for building drawers, cases, boxes, and more because it works with thin materials and lumber up to 1 inch thick. And thanks to Craig's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, you never have to readjust the clamp when you move from one material thickness to another. Just squeeze the clamp handles and AutoMax technology does the rest, applying the perfect amount of easy-to-regulate clamping pressure to the joint every time and with every material thickness. When you're looking for a fast, foolproof way to create square corners and perfectly positioned shelves or partitions on your woodworking and do-it-yourself projects, the Craig 90-degree corner clamp is the perfect solution.
This set includes 6 different flat scraper blades with different profiles and comes with an interchangeable power handle. These carbon steel blades are ready to use right out of the package. Made in the USA. In a few strokes, remove any uneven surface or finish without the use of sandpaper. You can use on flat or contoured surfaces. Removes roughness on hand or power carving projects, excess glue in hard-to-reach areas, and unwanted paint or other finishes.
Your tape is the most essential tool on the job. The new Control series from Lufkin puts you in command to get the job done faster. The innovative drag strip feature lets you control the amount of retraction with the touch of a finger. Measures are smooth, quick, and easy, increasing speed and efficiency. A wide end hook grabs fast and holds tight for accurate marking. And a patented quad rivet design increases strength and durability, extending the life of the tape. The Control Series 10-foot standout puts tough measures in reach, so you don't have to pull someone else off their work to hold the other end. A wide blade handles corners with ease, and a built-in tether keeps your tape by your side and makes for a safer job site. For pros and serious do-it-yourselfers, the Control Series with drag strip from Lufkin. Show your tape who's boss.
The Milescraft laminate trimmer offers a sleek and safe design that provides you close control when trimming away laminate, edge banding, and veneer. Some plywood applications require the use of edge banding or veneer to hide the visible plies on their edges. The versatile design of the tool allows you to use it from both right and left sides. Simply run the laminate trimmer down the protruding edge of the surface and the standard razor blade will cleanly remove the excess material. The laminate trimmer provides a stable shoulder to guide the trimmer down the workpiece. After trimming, lightly sand the edge smooth, and now your edge is ready for finishing. In addition to straight edges, the laminate trimmer works well on round surfaces too. When it's time to replace the blade, simply remove the screw, blade retainer, and the old blade. Install a new standard razor blade, reinstall the blade retainer and the screw, and you're ready to continue trimming. Once your project is complete, simply hang the laminate trimmer on a wall where it will be ready for the next project. For all of your laminate, edge banding, and veneer trimming needs, be sure to check out the Milescraft laminate trimmer.
The adjusting mechanism is the same as the router plane. The locking knob loosens the blade, the depth adjustment knob sets the blade depth, and the depth stop sets the plane for a precise depth setting. To install a butt hinge, simply mark the location of the hinge with a marking knife. Next, place a chisel into the knife lines and tap gently to increase the depth of the line. Then, zero the blade on the work surface and lock into place. Now you can sandwich the hinge leaf between the depth adjustment knob and the depth stop. To start, increase the cut from 0 and remove a small bit of the waste. Be sure not to blow out past the lines you struck. A light tap with your hand will help to control the cut. Progressively make your way down until you hit the stop and your mortise is complete. The hinge mortise plane makes hinge installation a breeze.